Hi, my name is Judith Love Cohen, and I've co-authored a book called You Can Be a Woman Botanist. And I worked with a woman who studies avocado trees, and she teaches at Cal Poly in Pomona. Now, our books are divided into 3 parts, this one as well as the others. And the first part will talk about our woman botanist and the work that she's done and how she got into it. The second part will talk about botany as a science and what you have to study to learn it. And the third part will talk about the qualities it takes to be a botanist and some questions you can ask yourself so you can decide if you would be good at it. Today we're going to talk a little bit about the middle part, about botany, what it is, and what botanists study. Now, first of all, as we said, a botanist is a biologist, and so therefore they're going to start out by studying living things. Our botanists learned how to classify and name things in Latin. Now, there used to be 2 kingdoms, the plant kingdom and the animal kingdom. Now, of course, there are other kingdoms from bacteria and fungi and little cell animals, but the botanist is going to concentrate on the plant kingdom. It contains groups like seaweed, seed-bearing plants, like flowers and trees. Second, the botanist will study plant biology, called botany. Now, plants are very special. They can actually take the energy from the sun and create food. They convert nitrogen from the air into a biologically useful form, and they add oxygen into the air. There are a lot of other special things about plants. Third, our botanists study plant life cycles. Do you know that plants stop feeding and growing during the winter or during periods where it's dry, and they'll wait until spring or the rainy season? Fourth, our particular botanist focused on studying plant genetics. Your eye color and your hair color are controlled by genes in your DNA. Plants have DNA, and it defines the characteristics of the plant. Here's a picture that shows all the different parts of a plant. Plants have leaves, they have roots, they have stems, they have flowers, and the flower is divided into multiple parts. Now, if you think about it, if you were eating a part of the plant, some parts like what would be the leaf? Lettuce or spinach are leaves. And think of what other foods are other parts of the plant. Now, you can learn more about plants and botany by reading our book, You Can Be a Woman Botanist, and you can check us out at www.cascadepass.com.